and welcome to Market Ki Baatein. My name is Raja Venkatraman. I am the co-founder of New Trader and also your trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. So friends, we are once again back on this show, and as people are joining in and trying to understand what is this topic all about and what are we going to be discussing today. So as I have people joining into my show, so I would like to ask all of you a very important question. But before that, hi to all of you. Thank you for joining, and thank you for sharing your time. So if anyone is from the Muslim community, happy Eid Mubarak to all of you, and if not, still happy Eid Mubarak to all of you. So we are having a good time here, enjoying the markets, using the reactions to trade into, and I'm sure that markets are continuing to give us a lot of opportunities, and all of us have to understand that markets are all about spotting opportunities, and that's what is the whole agenda here. So good evening to all of you, good evening everyone, and good to have you all as part of the show. And like always, I keep interacting with you guys, trying to find out कि आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा है मार्केट के बारे में, क्या पता चल रहा है आपको, एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर व्हाट गेट्स मी एक्साइटेड एंड ऑल्सो गेट्स मी गोइंग, बिकॉज आई वुड लाइक टू नो हाउ द अदर एंड ऑफ माई स्क्रीन, दैट इज यू गाइज आर थिंकिंग आउट देयर. तो हर मार्केट की बातें के एपिसोड में कोई टेक्निकल सवाल, कोई जनरल सवाल, ये सारी चीजों के बारे में हम डिस्कस करते रहते हैं. एंड टुडेज टॉपिक इज आर यू अ लेजी ट्रेडर. आज मेरा विषय है कि क्या आप एक लेजी ट्रेडर हैं. सब लोग कहते हैं कि ट्रेडिंग जरूरी है, ट्रेडिंग में मेहनत करना है, तो हम दिन रात मेहनत करेंगे, चार्ट्स देखेंगे, स्क्रीन के सामने बैठेंगे, गौर से देखेंगे. तो मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि आर यू अ लेजी ट्रेडर. माई क्वेश्चन इज डायरेक्टली ऑपोजिट टू वॉट you guys are thinking, or probably some of you are thinking. And why I feel that in markets being a lazy trader is always helpful, right? We have read various books which says that like Malcolm Gladwell says 10,000 hours of practice करना है, और टेस्ट करना है, बैक टेस्टिंग करना है, फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग करना है, और स्क्रीन के सामने बैठ के हमें देखना है. सो ये सारी चीजें हम लर्न करते हैं when we are beginning our trading journey. But then soon along the way we realize that we are breaking our sweat, but then we are not able to get going with the trades, and we are not able to make consistent money. So I am going to be discussing with you guys why I feel, okay, it can be different opinion, but then I want to know how many of you feel that are you a lazy trader or are you not? Yeah? Are you a lazy trader or are you not? If you are a lazy trader, then you can type there on the chat that you are one. If you are not, say you are not. It doesn't matter. But today we are going to be discussing how a lazy trader is being beneficial in the market. So what exactly you mean by this concept, right? लेजी ट्रेडर तो मैं तो अभी से कह रहा हूँ, लास्ट 5 मिनट से तो लेजी ट्रेडर कह रहा हूँ, लेकिन लेजी ट्रेडर कैसे बने और लेजी ट्रेडर बनने का फायदा कैसे उठाएं? बिकॉज एक्टिव ट्रेडर तो सबको पता है, एक्टिव ट्रेडिंग, एक्टिव इन्वेस्टिंग, तो ये एक्टिविटी के पीछे हम थक जाते हैं. सो चलिए देखते हैं कि लेजी ट्रेडर बनने के लिए क्या खूबी चाहिए और लेजी ट्रेडर किसे कहते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सो फ्रॉम माय एक्सपीरियंस ओवर द लास्ट सो मेनी इयर्स, आई हैव फाउंड दैट डोंट मिसअंडरस्टैंड लेजी ट्रेडर एज द वन who is not following the process. Lazy trader is one who is not waiting for the market to open and immediately pounce on it. A lazy trader is one who has done his homework and he is waiting for the situation to present itself. Lazy trader is one who has decided that probably he doesn't want to work in the 9 to 5 job. अगर आपको ऑफिस में भी काम करना है पूरे दिन और स्क्रीन के सामने भी बैठना है पूरे दिन, then what's the point? So a lazy trader is one who knows that yes, when my setup will come, when my setup will fire, I will take the trade. And how is that possible? He uses the power of technology. So those of you out there are not using technology to the greatest extent, are still struggling with the manual way, should understand that if you want to move ahead and become a lazy trader, you have to adopt technology into your fold. तो लेजी ट्रेडर और क्या करता है? लेजी ट्रेडर is not worried about losses. Why? Because he wants to make money. But then he also knows that पैसे कमाने के लिए कुछ पैसा खोना भी पड़ता है. बाजीगर का डायलॉग. सो अगर आप मार्केट में जा रहे हैं तो आपको पता ही है कि मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे जाएगा, सारी जगह जाएगा. तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको पहले समझना है कि मार्केट में काम कैसे करें. सो अ लेजी ट्रेडर adopts a strategy, he deploys a strategy. हर ट्रेड का तो 3 ही लेवल्स होते हैं, इधर एंट्री होता है या स्टॉप लॉस होता है या टारगेट होता है. तो ये 3 चीज आपने सिस्टम में डाल दिए तो आपको ट्रेड को देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम हैपेंस बिकॉज एवरीवन इज कंटिन्यूसली ट्राइंग टू मैनेज देयर ट्रेड. ट्रेड मैनेजमेंट जो करना है ना, सो ट्रेड मैनेजमेंट इज नॉट कंटिन्यूसली मूविंग योर ट्रेड. प्लीज रिमेंबर, ट्रेड मैनेजमेंट इज नॉट कंटिन्यूसली मूविंग योर ट्रेड एंड देन exiting with small profit and holding big losses, right? I am sure that some of you will agree with me कि काफी सारे लोगों के साथ ऐसे हो जाता है, right? You take very small profits and then you are holding on to positions which are having big losses. This happens when you do very active management. Active management is not possible. Why? Because if you want to do that, you are actually harming your trade. So what a lazy trader does, lazy trader actually relaxes. He knows that yes, this trade either is going to work or is not going to work. He is able to take more time. He is able to take more time into his custody. Why did you at all come into trading? So that you can get more time, take care of all the other things. But then what really happens? You are not able, because all the time we are looking, okay? We are looking at how we are going to manage our trade, and we end up taking our whole time from 9:15 to 3:30. I am sure that many of you out there would be facing these challenges, right? 9:15 to 3:30 आपको कब कैसे हुआ पता नहीं चलता. And one of the main reason is because you are continuously monitoring your trade. And if you are going to do that, then absolutely there is no point in you trading. Why did you at all come into trading? Because trading enables you to make money in less time. And for that, you got to educate yourself. आप जब तक आप खुद को एजुकेट नहीं करोगे मार्केट के बारे में, मार्केट के टेक्निक्स के बारे में, you will always have a challenge. You will always have a challenge in this field. And because you will have a challenge in this field, you will never be a lazy trader. Lazy trader बनना is a very difficult activity. But then जब आप lazy trader बनोगे, you will be stress free, and you will also have some time in your hands. Why did you at all take the job of trading? Because you want to relax, you want to do other activities as well, but then this never happens. और लेजी ट्रेडर की और एक खूबी क्या है कि उसकी प्रायोरिटीज जो है, द लेजी ट्रेडर हैज गॉट वेरी क्लियर प्रायोरिटीज. ही इज गोइंग टू गो इनसाइड द मार्केट, डू स्पेसिफिक ट्रेड्स एंड देन गेट आउट. बट हमारे मार्केट में होता क्या है, किसी को पता ही नहीं है कि वो डे ट्रेडर है या मल्टी डे ट्रेडर है या पोजिशनल ट्रेडर है, पता ही नहीं. कभी आर्ली चार्ट पे काम करते हैं, कभी 15 मिनट चार्ट पर काम करते हैं. तो इस तरह काम करने से योर कंफ्यूजन इज शोन एंड यू रिमेन इन दैट कंफ्यूज स्टेट फॉर एवर, एंड प्रोबेबली आपका कैपिटल खत्म हो जाता है या आपका पेशेंस खत्म हो जाता है, दोनों में से एक. एंड देन यू से दैट मार्केट इज नॉट अ प्लेस वेयर यू कैन मेक मनी, एंड दिस इज समथिंग विच मेनी पीपल से आउट देयर. But then I have realized that it takes a while. Lazy trader, I will again repeat, is not one who does not study, is not one who does not follow process. इसके totally opposite है एक lazy trader. I hope all of you are getting some idea about the lazy trader concept. क्योंकि lazy trader बनना मुश्किल है, नामुमकिन नहीं. तो कोशिश करिए. अगर आपको जानना है कि तौर तरीके कैसे हैं, आई एम कंडक्टिंग अ वेबिनार ऑन सैटरडे. यू कैन चेक आउट द लिंक इन माई बायो. You can check out the link in my bio, and you will be able to get in touch with these kind of concepts. I'm doing a webinar on Saturday morning, and you got to keep learning, you got to keep investing your time, because आपका टाइम जो है वो सबसे important है. And when you go into the market to trade, you should realize that if you spend more time in trading, you are actually losing more money. So please understand that you have to spend as less time as possible. Screen staring is not equal to profit. Please remember. क्योंकि ऐसे टाइम पे काफी सारे तौर तरीके आते हैं. ओके, देयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस हियर, सो लेट मी जस्ट टेक सम क्वेश्चंस. So there's a question from Mayur asking why market is making sudden moves. So right now you got to understand that market is undergoing lots and lots of activities in terms of the pandemic, and because of the pandemic it is triggering various kind of overseas problems, overseas triggers, and overseas news triggers are causing these kinds of issues. Now markets were down, even yesterday, even today SGX was down, and now today SGX is up. Why? Because the global markets are rising. So India is part of the overall global chain. So any overseas development is going to impact the Indian markets also. So you cannot ignore any news. So that's what a lazy trader does. वो सब न्यूज एलिमेंट्स देखते हैं और समझते हैं कि कैसे काम करना है, और फिर मार्केट में जाकर उस हिसाब से काम करते हैं. So an important thing is you got to understand the context. The context could be price action, about which I'm doing a webinar on Saturday, or it can be on the momentum of a particular stock. You know, these are the various kinds of things which I keep doing webinars about. And context आपको ले करना पड़ेगा. अब market was almost going to cross 16,000. At that time the context was different. The situation, जो संदर्भ में मार्केट काम कर रहा है वो अलग स्थिति में था. अब at 15,600 the situation is different. So you have to find out what is happening in the market, what is the overall situation, and you have to place it in that context. And that's what is very important when you come to trading. Trading is not just about buying and selling. I hope you guys understand. So buying and selling तो कोई भी कर देगा. आपको जानना है कि क्यों बाय करना है या क्यों सेल करना है. तो इसके लिए यू गॉट टू डेवलप द स्किल्स, अदरवाइज you will come and then you will go and then market will not even bother, because market is a very very big machinery which is at work. So you got to develop certain skill sets, right? So let me just check certain other questions. I hope all of you are getting some idea about the lazy trader, and lazy trader is a very very good approach. You can use it for commodities, you can use it for US markets, you can use it for anything. But then once you become a lazy trader, it will be one of the finest discoveries you have made for yourself. Yes, day trading is definitely good. It has got its limitations. Why? Because it ends by 3 o'clock. Most of the brokers don't allow you to extend your position. So when you're going to do day trading, you got to understand that speed is of the essence, and आपको speed के साथ काम करना है. So you got to understand that I need to accept that the movement is going to be fast. So when movement is going to be fast, your stock selection or any security selection, अगर आप index ले लीजिए, stock ले लीजिए, आपका selection काफी important है. अगर आप ठीक तरह से सेलेक्ट नहीं करेंगे तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. सो योर स्टॉक सिलेक्शन बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ हाउ द मार्केट इज बिहेविंग बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट विल कंट्रीब्यूट इन योर एफर्ट्स टू स्केल अप योर कन्विक्शन. द होल आइडिया ऑफ ट्रेडिंग इज टू एंजॉय द प्रोसेस. अगर आप रोज आएंगे एंड देन इफ यू आर गोइंग टू कम इनटू द मार्केट विद लॉट्स ऑफ टेंशन, तो फिर आपसे काम नहीं बनेगा. यू विल ऑलवेज बी वरीड अबाउट द स्टॉप लॉस, एंड स्टॉप लॉस व्हाट यू थिंक इज व्हाट विल हैपन. योर अट्रैक्शन, द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, ये सब लोग ने तो सुना होगा. सो दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस विद मोस्ट ऑफ अस. वी आर कंटिन्यूअसली अट्रैक्टिंग loss making scenarios, and that is why whenever you select a stock, automatically वो जाकर stop loss hit कर देता है. So intraday trading is good but very challenging. For making it a simpler activity, you need to have some kind of process, right? That's what will make it interesting for you. And whenever you are going to go into intraday trading, please understand your limitations and then participate. That's what is very important. If you cannot handle the FNO, don't handle the FNO. Go for the equity. If you have enough capital, you can always scale up. First raise your skill, then increase your scale. Everyone does the reverse. They first increase the scale, यानी ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में ट्रेड करते हैं और उसके बाद स्किल ढूंढने के लिए चलते हैं, राइट? दिस इज एंटायरली द रिवर्स, एंड दैट्स व्हाई मेनी पीपल आर अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई द मार्केट इज डूइंग लाइक दिस. नाउ ऑल ऑफ अस आर इन शॉर्ट and wondering now is market going to go down further? We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Is the market going to surprise us? We don't know. But then that's what is the whole idea here, right? So I hope all of you are getting some insight, and I'm sure that all of you can connect with the concept of the lazy trader, because lazy trader is something which I have tried to achieve. Yes, I will still not say that I am an extremely lazy trader, but then that is something part of the process which I have imbibed. It has taken me time, but then I have made some difference to my laziness. Yes, stock selection is critical. Stock selection is very important, and if you don't have the right kind of stock selection, then the whole pathway becomes very choppy, and you have to live against hope, and hope से trading करना is equal to hopelessness, क्योंकि you should never trade on hope. That's what I believe in. It's better to trade directly on whatever skill sets you have, because if you're going to trade with hope, then you don't know what's going to happen. Is the trade going to work in your favor? Is the trade not going to work in your favor? Option selling is definitely a good way to participate in the market, but that's what the a professional does, or a HNI does. And you got to understand that for doing option selling, you also need the requisite margin. And if you do not have the requisite margin, then you have to be really careful when you are executing a option selling, because if you're reading, I hope you're getting the concept, because it's not that you just trade a position and then you sit on it. You got to keep continuously monitoring it, and that's what is very challenging. Options is a very dynamic instrument. There are many variables which affect it, so you got to work on those elements and then participate in the option space. If you're new to the market, your best approach would be to go on the directional side of options and then move into the option selling part, right? So I hope all of you guys got some insights on the concept of lazy trader. I'll be discussing more such concepts, more such different concepts which can make you think, make you realize that yes, ऐसा भी हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, ऐसा भी हम कुछ काम कर सकते हैं. And that way I can ensure that all of you become a more thinking and a more aware and a more mature trading community. And of course I keep conducting various webinars and where I showcase how you can approach the market using simple techniques so that you can start building up your laziness. And like I said, I'll be doing this webinar on Saturday morning. You can check out the link in the bio. And of course we have got various other things with like our workshops and other services about which if you would like to know more, you could send us a direct message and our team will get in touch with you. All right. Thank you for joining in at 10 p.m. tonight, and I'm sure that all of you did enjoy this particular live feed. If you liked what I shared and if you are connecting with the concept which I shared, do leave a like on this particular video, and also you can hit the save button and also forward it to any of your active trading and investing friends so that they realize that active trading और investing नहीं करना है, थोड़ा हमें lazy trading और investing करना है. All right. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you again in the next feed.